Hello, this is Lucy. I write the blog Paper Glitter Glue, and I was just going to show you using how to use the Sizzix 3D Impresslits that cut and emboss at the same time. They're really cool. One of my readers asked about it, so wanted to know if it'd work through the Big Shot. This is my Big Shot. You need just the regular platform. Do not use the thin lid adapter. You don't need that. You just need the platform. And then your whichever die you're going to use. Let's use this little one. I forgot the name of it. But anyway, I'm going to use metallic cardstock. And Tim Holtz, when he talks about it, he always recommends spritzing it lightly with water just to make the paper just a little more flexible. And then just put it in. Add your plate, only one plate on top, and then just roll it through. And there's some resistance, but you just roll it through. And he recommends rolling it through your machine, your Big Shot, 3 times. So that's 1. He does that. He recommends that to get the best detail, and that is 3. Okay, let's see how our 3D Impresslit worked. Okay, looks pretty good so far. That pops out easy. Oh, look at that. It's like magic. It's really fun. And then sometimes they stick a little bit, so you just get a pick just to lift up an edge. Somehow I'll be able to do this. There. Yeah, so isn't that cool? I'm going to make some Easter baskets and use these things. So let's do another one. Here's another really neat one. I already did it, and I just did the leaf in 65-pound cardstock, just kind of regular cardstock, not heavy cardstock. And look at the incredible detail on it. And next, let's do a leaf in silver. So I'm going to spray it again, just spray with a little bit of water. I don't really want it on my machine, but... And you put the good side against the cutting side. Put it down. And Tim always emphasized that you put the fold in here so it doesn't push the paper out, doesn't move the paper. Okay, now put your plate on top and just roll it through 3 times. 1, done. 2, sorry, it's clunky. 2, 3. And let's look at it and see our pretty silver leaves. There's our offcut. And let's see, we could pop it open. This isn't a real pick. It's just got one sharp end. Okay, let's see how this silver leaf looks. Oh, doesn't that look nice? It's gonna look good on my Easter baskets. Okay, and here's another one. So anyway, the question the reader asked me was, my reader asked me about, would it go through this Big Shot. She had bought a new Big Shot and was kind of scared to push it through because it seemed like there was a lot of resistance. But I think the main thing is these are the only things you need. Your regular platform, one of the plastic pieces on top, your die, and to be sure and spritz the paper with just a little water. And that's it, and it works well, and it makes incredible stuff. So I can't wait to start making my Easter baskets. Okay, y'all take care. Bye.